Sikat! Sikat! Sikat sa barangay!
Pakilala muna tayo. Sino ba si Mitzi Josh?
Wala. Sino nga ba? Ako po ay Sparkle artist, of course. And kaka-release lang ng bago kong single under GMA playlist. So, recording artist na rin. And
Yon.
singer, dancer, and artist.
Naku.
Yes, actress.
Actress. Ayan. Please welcome Mitzi Josh.
Eyes are open and I look to the left side of the bed. I didn't notice I was smiling as I slowly kiss your head. And I whisper all my thanks to the universe. And all that's led you to me.
Barangay LS 97.1.
As you're waking up, you ask for a cup of coffee. And it's funny, cause you didn't have to say a word. I know you like you know me. And I whisper all my love to my destiny. From morning pegs to late night talks, you're on my mind, you're in my thoughts, and there's no better way to spend the day than with you. I keep you close and hold you tight. I'd sing for you from noon till night, and there's no better way to spend the day than with you. I could get used to you. Cheeks are aching as I grin to your antics and your smile. I realize I haven't felt this kind of bliss in a long while. And I whisper all my joy to the heavens and the oceans and the air all around me. And I can't look back on my life before you came. Everything's blurry and irrelevant to where my heart is right here in this moment. And I offer all my love to my heaven sent. From morning pegs to late night talks, you're on my mind, you're in my thoughts, and there's no better way to spend the day than with you. And if I could, I'd make a vow to answer all whys and hows, and there's no better day than every time I'm with you. I could get used to you. You're in my thoughts. I could get used to you. Mga kabarangay, this is Mitzi Josh. Panoorin ako at mag-subscribe sa Barangay LS 97.1 Forever #1.